Okay, let's talk about this EXPO Whiteboard Care. So this is a spray for helping you wipe off Expo marker that might be stained on your whiteboard, or just cleaner, I guess, what it says right here. So sometimes I have a calendar in my room and I like to design it for like each month. And I use different colors and stuff and do different designs. And so sometimes those designs and colors stick and they stain. And when I erase them with my dry eraser, they don't come off. And so I like to use this Expo stuff to help wipe it off. It actually works really well. You don't really have to wait for anything. Like, you don't have to wait for it to like activate or anything. You kind of just like spray it on there, and then you wipe it off. And yeah, there's this is a good sized bottle, so they have a decent amount of product in here. This has lasted me for a while now. I'm not sure when I got it, but it's lasted me a while. And so yeah, I also like it's easy to use, it's easy to store, and yeah. It also says right here that it has low odor and preferred way to clean. So if you're like, sometimes like whiteboard cleaners can smell really bad, and so the good thing about this one is it's odorless, or it has a low odor, and so that has less of a smell to it. So yeah, if you're looking for a new EXPO Whiteboard Care that helps you wipe off dry erase marker easily and quickly, then I would check this one out.
Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye!